Welcome to this meditation for cultivating stress awareness in the body, mind, and spirit. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, allowing your body to rest and your mind to soften. Gently close your eyes and lower your gaze. Begin by noticing the natural rhythm of your breath. Inhale and exhale. Without forcing it, simply observe the rise and fall. Inhale and exhale. This meditation will guide you to recognize stress in your body, mind, and spirit, bringing awareness to where tension resides and inviting balance, release, and renewal. Let us begin by bringing attention to your physical body. Begin scanning from the crown of your head all the way down to the soles of your feet. Notice if there is any tightness, heaviness, or fatigue in your physical body. With each inhale, imagine drawing in fresh energy. And with each exhale, visualize any tension in the body dissolving like a mist rising off the surface of warm water. If any areas feel particularly tense, pause there for a moment. Breathe into that space. Acknowledge its presence without judgment. And exhale, releasing any tension there may be. Gently roll your shoulders back. Relax your jaw and soften the space between your eyebrows. Intentionally allow your body to shift into a space of ease and calm. I'd like you to now bring your awareness to your thoughts. Observe the rhythm of your mind. Are your thoughts racing or are they slow? Are they gentle or are they heavy? If stress or anxious thoughts arise, don't push them away. Instead, acknowledge them with curiosity. Ask yourself, what is this thought trying to tell me? Is this thought helpful or is it keeping me in tension? Imagine placing each stressful thought onto a leaf and letting it float down a gentle stream. You do not need to hold on to them. Just let them drift away. And as you breathe, invite clarity, reminding yourself, I am not my thoughts. I am an observer, the awareness beneath them. Now shift your awareness to your spirit, the deeper essence of who you are. What practices or beliefs bring you a sense of peace and purpose? Picture yourself reconnecting with that source of inner harmony, whether through nature, gratitude, prayer, or a sense of universal connection. And as you inhale, breathe in light, and you exhale, imagine shedding anything that dims your spirit. Gently affirm, I am aligned. I am whole. I am at peace. Now, as this meditation comes to an end, take a deep, nourishing breath and fill yourself with calm energy. As you exhale, bring the awareness of balance into your body, mind, and spirit. And when you are ready, slowly bring movement back into your physical body, gently opening your eyes and carrying this awareness with you throughout the day, knowing that stress does not define you. You have the power to notice, release, and return to your center at any time, just by taking a deep breath.